Hello, my name is Leo, and I want to give you a brief guide on how to use EVALARM. In order to use EVALARM, you have to download the app in the respective store. Once you have installed the app, you can sign in or register as a guest. If an administrator set you up, you will receive an email with the login information. If you received this email, please press Sign In. If your location allows logging in as a guest, you can also register yourself. However, users with the guest role only have limited user rights. Assuming that you received your account information, you can proceed with signing in. You sign in by using the namespace, your email, and the password from the registration email. If you check the box Save Password, the app will remember your password even after you logged off. Great! You have logged in successfully. Let's have a look at the Start screen. You can find the button to your personal preferences in the top left corner. The menu consists of your profile, the preferences, the connection status, the imprint, the terms of use, the feedback page, as well as the button to log off. In the profile, you can see how your account was set up. You have the user role Administrator. Here you can also see and edit your account information, and even permanently delete your EVALARM account. It is also possible to change your password anytime. You will then automatically receive a corresponding email. The next menu is Preferences. You should check the box for the documents. This way you will be alerted in case new maps or documents are available. You can also decide if you want to be alerted by EVALARM about connection problems. Additionally, it is possible to limit the time frame in which you will be alerted acoustically. You will receive the message without an alarm sound. Please read our Terms of Use and Privacy Policy, which you will have to accept in order to use EVALARM. We can assure you that we take your data privacy very seriously. We are continuously improving EVALARM, which is why we appreciate your feedback. You can leave it by using the feedback page. Now let's have a look at the Start screen. The button Documents holds all the important documents. The documents are available offline and can be assigned to specific user groups. These, for example, are instructions in case of a fire. The button Maps works similarly. Here you can find building plans, emergency exit maps, etc. All important documents and maps are available anywhere, anytime, and are always up to date. Okay, let's continue with the Emergency button. If you press the Emergency button, your phone will automatically call the emergency number stored in EVALARM. It is not necessary to type the number or contact manually, which can be useful in a stressful emergency. The Alarm button allows you to create alarms. You can see how to create a new alarm in the separate video Creating Alarms. The same applies to the module Dead Man Switch. You can find the button for this feature in the top right corner. If this module is available to you, please watch the separate video Dead Man Switch. I would like to thank you for your attention. I hope that I was able to give you a first overview of EVALARM.